for tuning in DigiNews. I'm your host, Amanda. 2022 has almost ended and we are ready for an exciting new year with a recovery in economic after COVID-19. With the support of our partners and clients, we have made a fruitful year. Hence, we thank everyone who has joined our activities, watched our videos and believes in our best digital solutions. 2022 is a breakthrough year for Digiwin software. We have jointly held many events and webinars with different organizations. As a remarkable one, we have collaborated with the Asian Productivity Organization (APO) for a virtual walkthrough in our 5G AIoT Experience and Experiment Base. Then, we have held another virtual workshop about the blueprint of digitalization with APO IOSM, MPC, and CPC due to overwhelming responses. Besides, to reach more potential customers who need help in digital transformation, we have exhibited at Penang Manufacturing Expo (PMAX) and provided various digital products. Although it is the last month of 2022, DigiwinSoft never stopped working hard to educate the market. To promote the idea of digitalized factory management and our new AIoT cloud solution, we participated in FMM Entrepreneurship Conference. We are honored to have the opportunity to give an insightful talk to the enterprises that attended. While the activities in DigiwinSoft Malaysia are still ongoing, our Vietnam branch is also busy in various events. In December, we joined Lean Summit 2022, organized by one of our partners, P&Q Solution, and shared our experience in the industry. Also, we are glad to have the opportunity to give a speech about IT plus OT solutions at a conference held by Da Nang High Tech Park and Industrial Zone Authority. The effort that DigiwinSoft has put in 2022 is hopefully bringing impressive momentum to the coming 2023. Our aims and goals are always the same: to promote and help Malaysian manufacturers advance toward digital transformation. Last but not least, DigiwinSoft would like to wish our partners, clients, and all the viewers online a new year full of health, happiness, and success. We are always here with you on the road to Industry 4.0. That's it for today. Happy New Year and see you next time.